Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw my version of the king of Fortnite, titled Blevins, in a ninja outfit. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his eyes first. So we're going to start with the eyebrow. So it's going to be just two lines, just slightly, a little bit curved. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw the eyes itself. So we're going to make the eyes pretty big. It's going to be a little bit cartoony. So just draw two curves right under there. And then now we can draw in the eyeball. So it's going to be two big curves. And I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to try to leave a little bit highlight. So if you're shading it with pencil, just try to leave a little bit of white space in the eye. And then let's add in just a slight little mark on the end right there, so we know that's the corner of the eye. And then we're gonna come down to his nose, so we're just gonna, nice and simple. Okay, and then from here we can, we can draw the mouth, but let's come back up and draw a line for the headband. Okay, and then from here we can come down a little bit just on the side, and let's just stop there, and then we're going to finish his mouth first. So for his mouth, we're just going to come down, and it's just going to be one big smile. Okay, and then on the corner here, just draw two little mark like that. And then for his lower lip, so we just going to draw in one smaller line, and then for his upper lip, we'll just add in just very little, just like two little peaks. Alright, so now we can finish up the face. So we're going to come down. It's going to be cartoony, so just very smooth curves. Alright, so that's the face, and let's move up to the headband. So up here, we're just extending it for the headband. And then we're going to come in slightly, and now we have to draw the hair. So it's going to come over the headband. So start around here. I'll draw one curve, just kind of curve it and then go all the way out pretty far. Okay, and then we can hook that in. Now we're gonna draw the rest of the hair. So we just kind of give it some volume for now. So from here, just kind of go up, just curve it, and then have it go pretty far out. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So we're gonna move that down. Then we're going to draw one more here, and we're just going to connect that. And for the inside, we can draw in just a few of these curves just to give it some flow. And then we can draw one more here, one more little strand, and then on the side here we can draw more, but let's draw in the headphone first. So we'll come to the side, and then just draw that, and we could draw that on the other side. This is gonna be symmetrical. Okay, and then now we're gonna extend it. So the headphone's gotta be nice and big. Same thing on this side. Okay, so now we need to draw in the part that wraps around the head. So we're just gonna draw one curve like this, and then same thing on this side. Okay, and now we can draw in some more hair, right? So it's gonna have a couple more strands like that. So we're gonna just hook a small one there and then draw a bigger one on this side. Just kind of have it come back down. Okay, so hope you guys like the hair. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. All right, so let's move down to the body. We're gonna draw his neck. So this part's easy. We're just gonna come down, and then we're just gonna draw the scarf thing around it. So just pinch it in, and then now we can draw the cloth around the neck. And then from that we can add in just a couple of lines so that we can make it look like cloth. Okay, so let's move on to the rest of the body. We're gonna draw his shoulder. So we're gonna come out just a little bit. Then we're going to come in and pinch it all the way to his waist. Okay, and then we're gonna close it off, and this is gonna be the top of the belt. And we can actually draw in the belt. So I'm just gonna give him one big belt. Okay, and then here's the buckle, details, and then we'll draw in a loop. All right, and we can add in, well, let's add in 2 straps on the shoulder. Since we're here already, so we're just gonna come down. So we're gonna come on his arm. He's gonna be wearing a shirt, just a regular t-shirt. Here's the armpit. Okay, so we're gonna just close that off. That's just gonna be the sleeve. And then for his, this is inside, this is his bicep. And then here's the elbow. So lower arm, we just kind of curve it. And then close it off, and this is gonna be his glove. So we're gonna give it one little section on the wrist. And then we're gonna make his fist, so that's the thumb. Back of the hand. And then the fingers curling in. And let's draw in some details for the glove, because this is kind of open finger, so we'll just draw 2 loops like that. Add in some more detail on the glove. And let's put in some lines for the glove as well. All right, so let's move on to the other arm, and this other arm is going to be holding a weapon. Okay, so we'll sleeve, armpit. Let's close it off. So this part is going to be pretty much the same. So here's the elbow, and then now for the lower arm. Close it off for the glove. Add in a section, and let's add in the lines now. So let's draw his hand, and he's gonna be holding this weapon. Okay, so we're gonna come down for his thumb. Hook it down, that's his thumb, and then the palm. Curve it back in. So now we have to draw the rest of the fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then from the palm area, just kind of come out. This is going to be the handle, so we're going to close it off, and let's just add in a little bit of detail. And then here's just close that off for the palm. And then here, just kind of draw a circle. And then another circle inside. And before I draw this, let's draw in the leg so we know how far down the weapon will go. So from here, from the middle, let's draw in a line. So come out and in, and we're going to continue this curve out, in, close it off. And here's the knee pads, pretty much like a square, and then we're going to draw a rectangle in here, and then just connect the corners. Alright, so let's move on to the other leg before we go further. So again, curve out, go back in, close it off, and then we're going to draw a square. And then a rectangle inside. Just connect the corners. Okay, so now let's finish up the legs. So it's gonna be this almost the same as the other legs, but I'm not gonna draw the armor. Okay, so just pinch it in, close it off. And then we're gonna draw the dome shape. Come out more on this side. Close it off, and a little bit of sole. And then we'll add in, I'm gonna just kind of add in like these wrappings. Kind of looks cooler for a ninja, right? All right, so let's move on to the other leg. So go out. Okay, use this as a reference so you know how far down to go. Close it off. Dome shape. Okay, and then same thing on the wrapping, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same as the other side, just kind of give these some lines at different angles. Okay, and then let's add in a strap here on the leg. All right, so now we can draw the weapon. So Let's come on down and let's see, we can actually draw it down here first. So this is going to be a mouse. It's going to be swinging a mouse with spikes on it. Okay, so let's draw a line, and then we're going to draw two curves like this. This is going to be the top of the mouse. Okay, and then we'll just close that off, same line as that. And then I'm going to draw in the buttons. Okay, so just follow the curve and then just close it off. And then I'm just going to draw another curve. So same curve, so those are going to be two buttons. Okay, so before we draw the bottom, I need to draw in this spike first. So just draw a little curve like this and then just come out. Okay, and then now for the bottom of the mouse, I'm just going to go almost a straight line. Alright, so then now I got to draw the spike on the other side. So go. And on the other side, we're only going to see part of it. So we're just going to draw that. And then let's add one more back here. So just add another one. Alright, so now let's draw the little wire. So this is supposed to be some kind of retractable mouse. At least that's what I'm calling it. And then we can let's add in some details here. Okay, so that's gonna be his weapon. So now let's move back up to his clothing, and actually we need to draw the sword. Yeah, let's draw the sword here, so this is kind of cool. So from the back here, just kind of come straight up. Just give it a little bit of curve, and then we're gonna close it. Draw in the details. Okay, so again, same thing on this side. Close it. Then two triangles. Okay, so now for the logo itself, I'm just gonna use part of it. So we're gonna start with the star. So just come down here in the middle, circle. Okay, one, and we draw the bottom one, just opposite. And then now let's see, the two's on the side. So just kind of go out. And then it's gonna have a line here. So from here, just kind of curve a line all the way to the center of the star. And same thing here. Right here, just kind of come out. So right here, just kind of come out. And we can actually have it go all the way out here as if it's going behind the strap. All right, and then let's add some more detail. There's a little bit more detail on his logo. So just draw two lines like this. And it's gonna pinch all the way down here underneath the belt. So that is it for my version of Untitled Blevins as the ninja in Fortnite. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.